This challenge is called So Meta. It's a medium level challenge in the forensics category from the picoCTF 2019 event. The description says, find the flag in this picture. And there's a link in the word picture here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to copy this file over to our web shell. So let's right click and select copy link address, and then go over to our web shell. We're going to create a directory for this challenge. So it's going to be mkdir so meta, and then enter that directory. And then we're going to download the file using wget. So it's wget, and then we're going to paste in the link address with Control-Shift-V, and then we're going to send that command to download the file. We see that there is a file that we've downloaded called pico_img.png. If we use the file command on this file, we see that it is a PNG image data file. Okay? So the way we interact with picture files when we do digital forensics, and one of the most common things to do is to use the EXIF tool on it. So the EXIF tool is going to get the EXIF information out of the file, and EXIF is the name of the metadata that is created when files are created. So we can use EXIF tool on picoimage.png, and we see there is a lot of different information in here, such as where it is located, the file size, but other picture information such as image width and image height. So all of this information is created when the picture is created. But importantly for us, there is a flag in here. So under the artist key over here, we have this value over here, which is picoCTF so meta. All we need to do now is copy the string, and then go back to our picoCTF challenge page. In the flag submission field here, paste in the flag, and then click on Submit Flag, and then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.